Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Joshua here, and today let's talk about the Yamaha PSR. Of course, some of you might have seen my previous video on the Yamaha Modi X, and I had high praise, nothing but praise for that keyboard. But some of you PSR guys did reach out to me and ask me, should I upgrade? So maybe this video is for you. Stick around. Of course, the Yamaha Modi X is an amazing keyboard, but today it's all about the PSR. And the PSR is no slouch when it comes to church music. It's held up well in so many churches. I've seen it being used all over Asia, all over Africa. I've been able to use this keyboard for many years. If you see some of my videos, the PSR is in most of them. So I'm going to be talking about the keyboard, why I would recommend it, why I think it's good, why it might be better than other keyboards for certain situations. And if you stick around till the end of the video, I'm going to be talking about something hidden inside this USB. Let's get into it. So firstly, some of the pros of the keyboard. It's got amazing sound quality. The sound quality is really good. It's got speakers built in. So sometimes I would have to pull out the PSR keyboard at like home soaking sessions, or if someone's come over, or birthday parties, because there's built-in speakers and they're really high quality, and they're loud enough. I've had to use the PSR over other keyboards. With other keyboards, I'm gonna have to plug it into a mixer, put it into speakers, and I have such a huge craze over this stereo mono thing, so I tend to avoid to play keyboards that are not put out in stereo. So when it comes to stereo, you would need two speakers. That's the way to bring out the best out of these other keyboards that don't have built-in speakers. But the PSR runs in stereo because it's got two speakers, left and right, and the sounds are made to work in stereo. So I've got in front of me the SX700. This is the one I would recommend, even over the 900 series, because it's got the best balance between value and what you actually get. The PSR SX 900, 970s, S975s, in my opinion, it's a lot more money for not much of a gain. So these are the ones I would recommend. I think now the 720 is out and the 920. So definitely I recommend the SX720. And yeah, guys, it's light enough. Good sound quality, speakers in front. The keyboard action is nice. Sorry about what I just played. Keyboard action is nice. It doesn't feel too cheap. It's even though it's plastic, it's well made. It's got a little bit of weight to it, but it's light enough to carry as well. And my main plus point is, because so many people have this keyboard, if you see all over Asia, all over Africa, the most popular keyboard is the Yamaha PSR. Because so many people have it, that basically means so many people are available to help you as well. If you're on Facebook and things like that, there's such a huge forum for these keyboards. Like anything that you may run into, any problem you may run into, you can ask someone and they'll have an answer for it. So yeah, that's some of the reasons why I would recommend this keyboard. The main reason for me making this video is some of you guys that have asked, should I upgrade to the Modi X? Of course, you would have seen my previous video on the Yamaha Modi X, and I had nothing but high praise for it. It is a good keyboard, but this too is a good keyboard, guys. Some of you have asked me, oh, do you think I should upgrade? But you need to make sure, are you squeezing the life out of this keyboard? Like, are you actually maximizing everything that this keyboard can offer? Because many times people buy a keyboard and it's expensive, but they don't make the full use of it. Like, you're not actually bringing out the potential. So I've got some products that I've worked on over many years, and I believe it's fine-tuned now, where anyone can use it in any church setting, any worship setting. All of those sounds are on this USB. I carry this USB everywhere with me. Everywhere with me. In fact, next week, I'm going to Italy to play for a wedding, and this USB will be coming with me because I'm aware that they have a PSR there. And all of these sounds now are available to you guys. If you go on my store, I've got every single thing in this USB on my store. No compromise in quality. I haven't got any sounds better than you guys. Everything that I use week in, week out, all available to you guys. I thought I would do that. A lot of people have been asking for more sound, so I thought, you know what, why don't I just give everything? So let's dive into some of these sounds, okay? you will see many different products. These are for the Nord, so don't worry about that. This is what I'm interested in. If you go to my store and you go to the top and click PSR, you'll see I've got many different packs for the PSR. This one is available for free. Everyone can download it. It's just realistic pianos. I'll show you what I mean. So for example, this piano here. Very nice sounding piano for the PSR. Sounds a lot better than what comes out of the factory. This is available to you guys for free. So if you haven't downloaded it already, what are you waiting for? Go and download it, use it, enjoy it. Now, worship patches. Let me plug the USB in. As you can see, USB device connected. Now, worship patches. You would have seen a previous video of me giving these sounds away. It's just a collection of pianos and pads that I've put together that are good for worship. This is available there. Then an aux starter pack, for example. So let's look at some of these aux starter pack sounds. So this is the aux starter pack that many of you have ordered and are using. These are some of the sounds in it. This is for the aux players. You know, if you've got two keyboard players and one of you are making all these, doing all the other nice sounds, this pack is for you. It's a starter pack. I've already got a video explaining this stuff. But if you want to go one step further, I've got an aux ultimate pack. Is available here. This is basically all the best sounds, in my opinion, on this keyboard for the aux player. I've fine-tuned everything, including reverb, EQs and stuff like that, just to bring out the best out of all these sounds. And these are sounds that I use week in, week out, guys. So I've got 2 banks in this aux ultimate pack. So the aux ultimate pack comes with 16 sounds in total, and it has all the best stuff. So this is the praise bank. So you've got a nice electric piano, and then you've got the brass stuff, and it's been fine-tuned. If you see all these sounds, they're the same volume, so your sound man is not going to have a problem either. Like this is with the organ, and if you see these brasses, you hold it down and it gets louder. It's like the real thing. And then look, this is like gospel stuff. You've got all the gospel stab stuff in here, and yeah. You know these sounds, yeah? Believe it or not, this exact sound, so number 5 that I've got in here, I love the sound of this. It cuts through the mix and everything. So I've actually sampled this into my Nord. So I don't even use the sounds in the Nord. I actually use the PSR sounds that I've basically put into the Nord. And I'm using this exact same thing for some of the high praise stuff. And look at this distortion lead thing that I've got in here. It's with some synths and everything. Nice sounds in there. It's just stuff, it's good for your high praise stuff. A nice bass in there as well. And then in the aux ultimate pack, we've got the worship stuff as well. We've got softly. and see how it just delays. I used it for a worship set, and then like two, three of you asked me what sound is that, and I actually told you what sound it was. That sound is in here, but with my added touch on it, the stuff that I do to really make that sound better. And then look, I've got beautiful pads in there. So if you want to do some of your movie scoring stuff, is it? Obviously, this is like movie-like sounds, but you can use this in church, you know. All these sounds are in there. Beautiful tremolo strings. All these sounds are in there. I've got an all-in-one bank. If you guys want it to be simple and you want one bank that you don't have to touch after that can do basically everything, I've set this up so you've got the last four, 5, 6, 7, and 8 to be for the worship songs, and 1, 2, 3, 4 to be for your praise fast songs. All of this stuff is in there. All of these have got left hand bass if you guys don't have a bass player and you need bass. But yeah, all these sounds are there, guys. So, and then if you don't want to buy it individually and you thought you haven't bought sounds off me already and you want it at a discounted rate, I've got this thing here. I've got a Yamaha PSR mega bundle. It's basically all the collections in one. If you buy it together, if you buy it separately, it's gonna cost you £16. But buy it together, it's gonna cost you £9.99. Guys, you might be thinking, you know, oh, I need to upgrade my keyboard. My PSR doesn't sound good enough to your ears, and you're thinking to spend thousands on a keyboard. Maybe consider buying this first and see how you like it. You might actually change your mind. Yeah, guys, make sure to check out the sounds. Let me know what you think. I'll be available on Instagram. You can reach out to me, and I'll be there to help you with whatever you need. So yeah. If you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing, and I shall see you in the next one. Thank you, guys.